Lately, I've been enjoying trying out different salads because they're super easy to make and so delicious. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple bean salad, which is going to turn out zesty, vibrant, very flavorful and delicious. And it's going to be a perfect way to serve up some delicious side dish. And also, if you are maybe dieting or looking forward to lose some weight, this is the recipe for you because it's quite nutritious. You're going to need some fresh tomatoes, avocado, lemon, cucumber, and coriander, and also a tin of baked beans, together with some white vinegar. You can also add in some apple cider vinegar, that is, and some olive oil. In a small bowl, you're going to add in your baked beans, rinse and drain your baked beans under running water, and then we are going to go to the next step. After draining, this is how your beans are going to be looking. So you're going to keep aside, and then you're going to start off chopping up your veggies. I'm going to start off with a cucumber. I'm going to chop off one end, and then I'm going to dice my cucumber. So I'm going to cut into strips, just like this, stack and dice. Next, I'm going to pick 2 tomatoes, chop off the pits, cut in half and remove the pulp. Pick my tomatoes, cut into strips and dice. Pick your clean coriander and finely dice. Pick my avocado and cut in half. And this is how it looks on the inside. So I'm going to cut off one end. Scoop out your avocado and transfer to your chopping board. Slice and dice. Once done slicing up your vegetables, that is your cucumbers, tomatoes, coriander, and avocado, and your beans are ready, you're going to add in everything to a bigger bowl. So I'm going to start off with my beans, add in my veggies. Then you're going to use a lemon squeezer and squeeze in 1 medium lemon, that is 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into the bowl, and this is going to stop the avocado from oxidizing, and also it's going to balance out all the flavors. Next, you're going to add in half a teaspoon of white vinegar, then next you're going to add in a touch of black pepper and salt. Add in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now it's time to mix up my salad. After everything is fully mixed up, you're going to refrigerate your salad for around 15 minutes before serving, and it's going to get extra delicious because all the flavors are going to infuse and every bite is going to be amazing. This is a perfect side dish, or you can enjoy the salad as is.